How to reset your YouTube recommendation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube homepage and recommendations, especially if your feed is full of videos that you are not interested in. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and head over to the youtube.com. And here make sure that you are logged in with your account. And here, once you're inside the YouTube, just look at the left hand sidebar, and under you can see the option labeled as history. So simply click on it, and here once you're inside the history, at the right hand side you can see three options under the search watch history. So here you can see clear all watch history, watch history, and manage all history. So from here, simply click on manage all history, and once you click on it, it will take you to your Google activity controls for YouTube. So here, once you are on the history page, simply look for the delete drop down, and here you'll see three options: today, custom date range, and all time. So from here, simply choose all time to completely delete your YouTube watch history of all time. And once you click on it, confirm by clicking on delete again on the pop-up menu, and after that your history and most of the recommendation will be reset. And with that, if you'd like to stop YouTube from tracking your watch history going forward on the same page, just click on saving your YouTube history and it will lead you to the next page. Now here in this page, just click on turn off and confirm by clicking on pause, and this will prevent future watch history from being saved, but YouTube may still recommend content based on your current activity. And that's it. That's how you can reset your YouTube recommendation. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.